Take note, this video is not sponsored. Also, this is only a quick look at the new Samsung Galaxy A11. Please give me time to use the device fully and give my thoughts in another video. We have been a Globe subscriber for years, with the Globe at Home as the first service we availed. Then after a few months, we received a call and was offered a postpaid plan. Back then, the most affordable one was Plan 499. This postpaid plan came with a phone and a tablet. But those were the days. If I'm not mistaken, the lowest now is Plan 599 that usually only comes with a phone. And since the time to renew our plan came, we decided to avail Plan 799 and choose the Samsung Galaxy A11 free cash out. The Samsung Galaxy A11 is a budget Android smartphone developed by Samsung Electronics. Released on May 1, 2020, Samsung Galaxy A11 is the successor to the Samsung Galaxy A10. The A11 sports a 6.4 Infinity O display, a wide aspect ratio that fills your screen with content from edge to edge. It also has a triple camera, which consists of a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 115-degree field of vision like the human eye, a 13-megapixel camera for bright, clear photos all day, as well as a 2-megapixel camera for adjusting the depth of field. For the front camera, the Galaxy A11 features an 8-megapixel camera with a live focus, making your selfie stand out. Moreover, the Galaxy A11 has a 4000 mAh battery, giving you the power to stream, share, and play. Now, let's talk about the internal features of the Galaxy A11. This smartphone has fast processing and spacious storage. With an advanced octa-core processor and a 3GB of RAM, it can deliver smooth and efficient performance. It also has a 32GB internal storage and more, with external memory support of up to 512GB. The new Samsung Galaxy A11 is dual SIM with the SIM ejector universal pin included in the box, plus the rear fingerprint scanner as well as a face recognition for convenient mobile security. The new Samsung Galaxy A11 costs 7,490 pesos. However, as per the Samsung Philippine website, it is currently 6,490 pesos. There are two available colors at the Samsung store and Globe, black and blue. We chose the black one. The Samsung Galaxy A11 is not that light nor heavy. However, I recommend getting a case with a ring grip or pop socket, giving you an excellent grip. The phone comes preloaded with apps like Galaxy Store, Google Play Store, more Google apps, Microsoft apps, Spotify, Facebook, Netflix, and other typical apps. Now, let's check the other settings. As you can see, you can adjust the brightness and allows you to activate the so-called adaptive brightness, which is just the equivalent of auto in other phones. But there is an option that's not available in other phones that is quite popular nowadays. Social media apps like Facebook gives you an option called the dark mode. This phone has it too. Besides that, another setup that other phones or older models don't have is the digital well-being and parental controls. The digital well-being is for the user to keep track of screen time, while the parental control is for adding restrictions and other limits to help your child balance their screen time. Now, let's check the camera. As mentioned, A11 has a triple camera. Though I'm used to DSLRs, my first vlogging camera was the LG G4 and then the LG G6. I still prefer using a smartphone in certain situations. Rest assured, I will judge this camera fairly. Well, only the triple camera. The front 8-megapixel camera seems to be okay, as there is a beauty mode as well as a live focus which captures your face clearly but gently blurring the background. What interests me is the Samsung Galaxy A11's triple camera. They have Panorama, Pro, live focus, photo, and video modes. We are all familiar with these. However, the Pro got my attention as it reminded me of the LG G4 and LG G6 I previously owned. The A11 does take good photos on low light but a better quality on daylight. It's a capable phone for blogging and vlogging. However, I was quite disappointed with the Pro part. My LG G4 and LG G6 may be old, but their Pro, or should I say manual mode, is easy and fun to navigate. You can control the white balance, focus, exposure value, ISO, and shutter speed. I understand that the Samsung Galaxy A11 is a budget Android smartphone. However, the LG G4 and the LG G6 came out in June 2015 and in February 2017 respectively. In 2020, I think Pro modes in budget phones must live up to its name. Other than that, the Samsung Galaxy A11 is a decent smartphone. Just give me some time to fully use the device. If you have questions, let me know so I can note and include them in the actual review. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.